Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is the summer Fireplace Decor collaboration. Our host is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and Marilyn with Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Please check out their channels in the description box and the amazing creators in the place. Okay, this is our mantle, and I call this mantle as American as apple pie. As you can see, we're going to start off with our apple pie sign with the apple harvest open daily. And this is our apple in our little dough bowl. As you know, we have an apple orchard here on the farm, here on the homestead. I added a little patriotic bird, some pipe berries that also has some stars on them. And I made this arrangement that has these blue and red, white, and blue flowers. It's got flags, and it also has red delicious apples. In our picture. And then over here is another one of our birds, patriotic birds. And this is our white milk can with patriotic flowers that I made as a DIY. And that is our mantle. I found the sign and the apples on Temu. I bought this for a video I never done, so I thought I'd share it today.